Hey, this video I'm going to take you on a quick overview of our marketing kit and property website. So if you scroll down here, we immediately see social media reels. So these are actual video pieces of content. If you click it, you'll see kind of how these look. These are templates that take in the photos, your branding information, the information about the listing, and creates them instantly as soon as we send your photos over after the shoot. So this gives you, as you can see, 16 pieces of social media content right at your fingertips, ready to download as soon as you get that. You can also edit these and customize them, which is really cool. There's often a holiday themed one too if you have one coming up. Stories and posts, very similar, oriented for social media. They're just still photos and not videos. Landscape posts, same thing, but horizontal, square, Pinterest tower, slideshows. These take all the photos and just put them in a nice classic video slideshow. Very cool. Below that is the property website. Before we get there, you can download a QR code. People will scan that and it'll send their contact info to you, the realtor. You can customize the different site templates if one of them is not your jam. Below that, you have instant access to flyer templates that you can just print with the touch of a button, have ready for your open house. Below that, you can see where you have traffic coming in via this property website to kind of know better your metrics. So let's go to the property website. We'll preview the site here. And boom, beautiful website, automatically pre-created as soon as we deliver the photos to you. So you can see information about the home, client branding. Thank you, Sarah. Hey, embedded media. So she got a video. This is an example 3D tour. These can both be embedded at the top, not embedded at all, or embedded below. The photos here, and then we have site data here, beds, bath, square foot, links to the flyer, schools, floor plan, all sorts of cool stuff. The photos are below. The floor plans kind of kick it off at the end, and then again, another branding section and a call to action button. So much included right at your fingertips instantly and customizable right as soon as we deliver your photos and media to you.